Redmi had earlier announced that it will launch Redmi Note 11s smartphone in India on 9th February. Now, the company has confirmed that it will launch more than one Note 11 series phone on 9th February. A new post from Redmi India claims, "We are here to set the bar and make it double." The tweet confirms the launch of Beasts, which confirms that more than one smartphone is coming to India. Globally, Redmi has launched the Note 11 series with Redmi Note 11, Redmi Note 11 Pro, Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G, and Redmi Note 11s. The Redmi Note 11 vanilla variant has already come to India as Note 11T 5G, while the Note 11 Pro and Note 11 Pro Plus came to India as Xiaomi 11 and Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge. While the launch of the Redmi Note 11s has been confirmed, there is no clue about which the other smartphone could be. Redmi is also launching Smart Band Pro at the event. Redmi Note 11s specifications. The specifications of the Indian variant are likely to be the same as its global variant. Redmi Note 11s comes with a 6.43-inch display, 90Hz refresh rate, and is powered by MediaTek Helio G96 chipset with up to 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. The smartphone has a quad rear camera setup with 108-megapixel primary shooter and a 16-megapixel selfie camera at the front. It packs a 5000 mAh battery under the hood with 33-watt fast charging. Redmi Note 11s price: 6GB RAM plus 64GB storage, $249 or 18,700 rupees. 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage, $279 or 20,900 rupees. 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage, $299 or 22,400 rupees.
Like this video and hit that free subscribe button below to get more videos.